Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to download and install Modrinth. Yes, Modrinth is for Minecraft games, mods, and resource packs. Open any browser and type Modrinth. Like this. Let's go in. Modrinth up. Download Modrinth up. Open the appropriate file. Click Next. Click Next again. This is the process we have going. Then click Next again. This is optional. I'll probably skip this and press Finish. Here it is, our desired Modrinth. Next, to use it, log into your Minecraft account. There. And here you can click Search to download Modpacks and play Minecraft with mods through Modrinth. This was Weller. Goodbye, everyone.